Hello everybody and welcome back to a sort of new type of video on my channel. I said for a little bit that I wasn't going to do kit lineup videos, but I have just been finding them more and more informative and helpful, and I've been getting a ton of ideas from other people based on their kit lineups. So I don't know who originally started this sort of video series, but kudos to them because it's genius. So if you do not know what a kit lineup video is, it is all of the kits that I have picked out for that specific month. So I am going to be doing January, so you will see these plan with me's in like a month or so, but I thought it would be fun. So quickly, how I store my kits, I have them in this little Avery 1-inch binder. It's very small, it's 1 inch. I don't know, maybe this is helpful. I have December in here because haven't finished my December spreads yet, but on the bottom of these little sheets, I have these stickers from SPC that, you know, say the dates, and I just put everything in the sleeve, and that's how I do that. So let's go ahead and go over all of the kits that I plan to use in January. I am not doing the December 27th through January 2nd. I'm starting with January 3rd. I have 4 kits to show you, as well as foil, which I figured this would be helpful for me because I normally don't pull the foil with the kit until like day of filming, but I think this will be way more helpful. So anyways, so the kit that I'm going to be using for January 3rd through the 9th, this is going to be my official New Year's spread because it is going to be the start of my new planner. So I am using the Cheers kit from Scribble Prints Co. This art is just phenomenal. It's Kittenish Girl Jess. I'm obsessed with the colors. I love everything about this. Sorry if the lighting's a little bit harsh. There we go. I love everything about this. I'm obsessed with it. I do have the Fam 3 in here, but I think I'm going to try and do a lot on the week of New Year's, or that week in particular, January 3rd through 9th, so I can use all of these full boxes because they're so cute. So the foil pairing that I decided to do for this one is an older foil bundle, but I do have the bougie boxes that go with it. Sorry about that. So this is also from SPC. This is the Champagne Lights Sparkly Hollow. I've used this mixed metal before, so that's why it's like kind of a mess here. But I should have enough stuff, as well as like quote boxes and things, to be able to get me through the spread. But I just figured the like mixed metal would look so shiny and beautiful. Like this kit to me leans a little bit more gold, but like with the sparkly hollow, I just think it's gonna look so pretty. So this foil bundle, again, I don't know if this is still available. I should probably check out the website, you know, but I just think this foil bundle will be perfect for that week. So I'm gonna be using the Cheers kit with this foil bundle. Moving on, I'm just gonna slide it into the sleeve here. Moving on to the next week, it is January 10th through the 16th. A lot of the colors that I pulled are very like old school planner colors because I feel like I've been planning for so long that in my brain like the same colors are used for the same month, so a lot of these are very blue kits. So this is the December 2021 Mystery from Scribble Prints Co. The second I saw this art, which was what, probably back in like July, I knew I wanted to use it in January. It's very self-care, so pretty. I've never used a kit like this, but I really love it because I love this like bathtub scene. She is like seriously my favorite. Yeah, this is just, the colors in this, like the navy and the mint and the purples, I think are so pretty. I think these definitely lend to January, like new start, relaxation, me time sort of situation. So this was a mystery kit. It did come with, I think, was it Lavender Hollow Hearts maybe? No, because that was August, right? The like birthday, not birthday, what's it called, the like 80s themed kit. I don't know, I think it did come with Lavender Hollow, maybe stars, I think stars. But I have 2 foil bundles I want to use. So initially I was like, I want to bring in more of the blue. So this is like the Star Royal Blue from SPC in the like newer foil bundles. I feel like this will be really nice, especially to use the bougie boxes and to bring in some more of these like deeper blue accents. But I also want to bring out some of this lighter purple. So this is an older one. I think this is either Lilac Frost or Wisteria. I don't know. But I just felt like the light purple, especially like, I think I'm going to use the washi and not the washi in here. I think the washi will really bring stuff out. It is in the twinkle format, but like I don't care. Like, I love mixing metals. I love doing stuff like this to bring out different colors and spreads. So I just think this is going to be so pretty, and this is going to be a really good foil combo as well. So that is going to be the second week of January. Moving on to the third week, which is January 17th through the 23rd. I had to use this. I didn't know when I was going to use this. This is a very good anytime kit. This is together. This was like a collab that SPC did with Crest Press. So like Crest Press has her version of the kit. This is the SPC version. I love the colors. I think it really does lean towards January for me, so that's why I decided to use it. I love the crumble cookie box. That's so cute. There's so many cute little elements in this. Like, I love her freckles everywhere. They're so stinking cute. I'm just obsessed. Sorry, I love these bookshelves. They're so nice. Oh, I remember when I used to film with the DSLR. But anyway, I just love this kit so much. I really wanted to use this. And looking at foil choices for this, I was like, oof, I don't know. Because, like, I didn't want to go too crazy with it. I felt like a classic gold. Like, I mean, I guess there's silver. No, that's like a green. I just felt like a classic gold would look really nice. So this is actually from the Cyber Monday mystery. It's the Twinkle Gold format. I could easily go into my gold foil stash, but foil bundles are just so easy. Like, why go through the hassle of digging through your stash when you can just use the twinkle right here with the cute little whimsical bow? I just feel like this is going to work really well. So that is January 17th through the 23rd. And then last but not least, my last kit to show you is January 24th through the 30th. The 31st will be my Valentine's Day spreads. We'll be starting, so you'll see that video again if you like this style of video. I'm not sure if you do. But I had to pull in some sort of like wintry kit because like it's predicted to snow again. Hopefully it doesn't snow on Avery's birthday again. That would really be a bummer, but I'm pulling in a snowy kit. This is like the only art that I felt like came out that was like wintry. I mean, I'm sure there was other art sets, but this was the one I liked the most. This is First Snow from Scribble Prints Co. I really, oh, these girls are so cute. I'm obsessed with her like red hair. I want red hair like that. So pretty. Anyway, obsessed with these colors. They definitely give me very January vibes. I feel like the snow, I need to have some sort of winter kit. Like, I need to, because I'm not going to use any other winter kits this year. After, you know, February is all Valentine's Day for me and Avery's birthday, and then I just move straight into like spring because I just don't care. But I love the colors. Again, the purples, the navies, the darker purples are very pretty. The snowman is so cute. And I had to use a snow foil with it because like it makes the most sense. So this is SPC's Snowflake in Silver. This is the new foil bundle. I contemplated using gold with this. There is gold, silver, hollow, and sparkly hollow in the old format at SPC. But I was just like, you know what? I want to use the new format. I feel like the silver definitely goes with this very well. It's very soft, very pretty. I can pull in some winter quote box overlays and just make this really pretty. So this is going to be my January 24th through the 30th. So now, if you guys just want to take a quick peek, here's a sneak at what that week's going to be. So January 3rd through the 9th is Cheers. 10th through 16th is December 2021 Mystery. The 17th through the 23rd is Together. And then last but not least, the 24th through the 30th is First Snow. And I'm very excited to be using these. I think they're going to be really fun, kind of like soft January vibes, but still be kind of fun and fresh for the new year. So definitely let me know if you like this style of video. I know some people in their planner kit lineups like actually sit down and go through all their foil. That would be such an issue for me because my foil isn't close to me. It's all the way on the opposite side of the room in a big pile because I have yet to organize it. But yeah, I thought it'd be really nice, and I think these are such pretty kits. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.